Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play crossplay with friends online in College Football 27. So playing with different platform friends is really easy. So first all we have to do is make sure that crossplay is enabled in College Football 27 settings, and to check that just go down to bottom and select settings. After that go to game settings. Now switch over to crossplay and make sure that it is on. By default it will be on, but if it is off then just set it to on so that it will allow you to invite friends from different platforms. Now when it comes to inviting friends, firstly we need to add them into our EA friends list, and to add them press view button on Xbox or touchpad on PlayStation to open the social menu. From here switch over to the player search category by pressing R1 or RB. Type your friend's EA ID and send him a friend request. Once he accepts your request, he will be added in your EA friends list. After you have added your friend, go back to the main menu, then select play. Now go to play a friend. After that, we should be able to set up our match. From here, just select the match settings such as fatigue, injuries, quarter length and all of that jazz. After that, we just need to confirm by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and then it will show us our friends list. Now we need to invite the friend whom we want to play with. Currently my friend is not online, that's why I can't invite him. Once you have invited your friend and he joins, then you should be able to select the team and start your crossplay online match in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.